In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to build a simple automation that connects Google Sheets to Trello using Zapier. This will let changes in a spreadsheet automatically drive updates in a Trello board, saving you time and keeping your work in sync. Start by heading to Zapier in your web browser. Once you're on the main workspace, look for the Create button. Click Create, then choose Zaps. This opens the editor where you'll define the two main parts of your automation, the trigger, which starts the process, and the action, which runs afterward. Begin with the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that will kick things off. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. When it appears in the results, click on Google Sheets. You'll now be prompted to choose an event. This event tells Zapier exactly what to watch for in your spreadsheet, such as when a new row is added or a value is updated. Pick the event that matches how you want your automation to start. If you're unsure, think about the moment you'd normally say, "Now I need Trello to react," and select the option that best matches that moment. Next, connect the account. This is where you authorize Zapier to access your Google Sheets. Click to connect, follow the on-screen authorization flow, and confirm you're connecting the correct Google account. Grant only the permissions you're comfortable with, so Zapier can listen for the event you selected. With the trigger in place, move on to the action. Click on Action to define what happens after your trigger fires. In the search bar, type Trello. When Trello appears, click on it. You'll again choose an event, but this time it describes what you want Trello to do in response to your trigger. Common choices include creating a card, adding a comment, or updating something on a card. Select the event that aligns with your workflow so the result in Trello is exactly what you expect. Finally, connect the account for Trello. Authorize Zapier to access your Trello workspace so it can perform the action you selected. Make sure you're connecting the right Trello account, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. That's it. You've set up the core flow, a Google Sheets trigger that leads to a Trello action. From here, you'll be ready to fine-tune details and let Zapier handle the business